What do you do when your yarn doesn't have a label? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the yarn weight of any yarn without a label. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. So there's actually a really easy way to tell if your yarn doesn't have a label, what weight it is. Simply take a knitting needle and start wrapping the yarn around the needle. And you want to give it just a nice amount of space. You don't want to wrap it too tightly. You can see you just want to snug them up against each other without shoving them up against each other, if that makes sense. And then you're going to measure over 1 inch how many wraps there are. Just like with knitting gauge, you're going to measure the number of, basically, well, instead of stitches, just the loops that are on the needle. Once I've gotten my measure, I'm going to count those stitches that were within that 1 inch space. I think I ended up with 12 on this wraps per inch. And then I use this wraps per inch tool. It's a tool printable here on NobleKnits, and I find that I'm right in between a worsted or light worsted yarn. So I'm going with the worsted in this case, and that gives me, that's 12 wraps per inch, and it gives me 4 to 5 stitches per inch. And then click this link and you'll get to download this wraps per inch printable for yourself. Check out these recommended videos and I'll see you in the next one.